Welcome to Book Bus Reviews and Summaries. Today, we are tackling a topic that hits close to home for many of us: chronic pain. Imagine if the pain you've been carrying, possibly for years, could be unlearned. Dr. Howard Schabener's groundbreaking book, Unlearn Your Pain, offers a revolutionary approach to healing chronic pain by addressing its root cause, the mind-body connection. In this book, Dr. Schabener, a pioneer in mind-body medicine, takes you on a journey beyond conventional treatments, showing how emotional stress, past trauma, and repressed emotions can manifest as physical pain. But here's the powerful part: he doesn't just stop at the diagnosis. He provides practical, step-by-step guidance on how to rewire your brain, confront those deep-seated emotional wounds, and ultimately, unlearn the pain that's been holding you back. Whether you're someone who's been living with chronic pain, or you know someone who is, this book offers hope and a pathway to a pain-free life that doesn't rely on medications or invasive treatments. Are you ready to discover the possibility of living without pain? Let's dive into the transformative insights of Unlearn Your Pain and explore how you can reclaim your life. Introduction: The Unseen Battle Within. Imagine living with pain that no one can see but you. It is a constant companion, relentless, draining your energy, and clouding every joy with its presence. You've visited countless doctors, undergone numerous tests, and tried every treatment under the sun, but nothing seems to work. The pain remains, an enigma that baffles the medical world and slowly consumes your life. This is the reality for many people who suffer from chronic pain, a condition that is as misunderstood as it is widespread. Unlearn Your Pain by Dr. Howard Schabener is not just a book, it is a beacon of hope for those lost in the maze of chronic pain. With a blend of cutting-edge science, compassionate storytelling, and practical exercises, Dr. Schabener offers a revolutionary approach to understanding and overcoming chronic pain. This book is about more than just pain relief, it's about reclaiming your life, your joy, and your sense of self. As we embark on this journey through Unlearn Your Pain, we will explore the science behind the mind-body connection, the power of our thoughts and emotions in shaping our physical experiences, and the transformative process of healing that Dr. Schabener has guided countless individuals through. This review will not only dissect the book's content but also immerse you in the stories of those who have walked this path and emerged on the other side, free from the pain that once dominated their lives. Chapter 1: The Mystery of Chronic Pain. Chronic pain is one of the most perplexing and frustrating conditions for both patients and doctors. Traditional medicine often focuses on finding a physical cause, something that can be seen, measured, and treated with surgery or medication. But what happens when all the tests come back normal, and there is no visible injury or illness to explain the pain? This is the starting point of Unlearn Your Pain. Dr. Schabener introduces us to the concept of mind-body syndrome, MBS, a condition where the mind and emotions play a crucial role in the manifestation of physical pain. He explains how unresolved emotions, particularly those from past traumas or chronic stress, can lead to real, debilitating physical symptoms. This is not to say that the pain is all in your head, a dismissive phrase that has caused harm to many, but rather that the mind and body are deeply interconnected, and that healing must address both. Dr. Schabener's approach is grounded in the work of Dr. John Sarno, a pioneer in the field of mind-body medicine. He builds on Sarno's theories, integrating the latest research in neuroscience and psychology to create a comprehensive understanding of how pain can be learned by the brain and, more importantly, how it can be unlearned. The first chapter sets the stage for a radical shift in perspective. By presenting case studies of patients who have suffered from chronic pain for years, only to find relief through addressing their emotional health, Dr. Schabener invites readers to open their minds to a new possibility, that healing is within reach, and that the first step is understanding the true nature of their pain. Chapter 2: The Science of Pain. To truly understand chronic pain, we must first understand how pain works. Dr. Shabana delves into the science of pain in this chapter, explaining the role of the brain in processing and interpreting pain signals. He discusses how pain is not just a physical sensation, but a complex experience that involves our thoughts, emotions, and past experiences. Pain, as Dr. Shabana explains, is the brain's way of protecting us. When we experience an injury or illness, the brain sends out pain signals to warn us and prompt us to take action. But sometimes, the brain gets stuck in a loop, continuing to send out pain signals even after the initial cause has been resolved. This is what happens in chronic pain. The brain has essentially learned to produce pain, and it becomes a habit that is hard to break. This chapter is filled with fascinating insights into how the brain works. Dr. Shabana explains how neural pathways are formed and strengthened over time, and how these pathways can become associated with pain. He also discusses the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and rewire itself, which is central to the process of unlearning pain. One of the most eye-opening sections of this chapter is the discussion of pain memories. Dr. Shabana explains how the brain can store memories of pain, much like it stores memories of other experiences. These pain memories can be triggered by certain thoughts, emotions, or situations, leading to the recurrence of pain even when there is no physical cause. Understanding this concept is crucial for breaking the cycle of chronic pain. Chapter 3: The Mind-Body Connection. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana explores the deep connection between the mind and body. He explains how our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can have a profound impact on our physical health. This is not a new idea. Many ancient healing traditions have recognized the mind-body connection for centuries, but it is one that has often been overlooked or dismissed in modern medicine. Dr. Shabana introduces the concept of emotional repression and how it can lead to physical symptoms. He explains how many of us have learned to suppress our emotions, particularly those that are painful or uncomfortable, as a way of coping with life's challenges. However, these repressed emotions don't just disappear, they get stored in the body and can manifest as physical pain. The stories in this chapter are both heartbreaking and inspiring. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have suffered from chronic pain for years, only to discover that their pain was linked to unresolved emotional issues. Through therapy, journaling, and other mind-body techniques, they were able to confront these emotions and, in many cases, experience significant relief from their pain. One particularly powerful story is that of a woman who had been living with chronic back pain for over a decade. She had tried every treatment imaginable, from physical therapy to surgery, but nothing had worked. It wasn't until she began working with Dr. Shabana and exploring the emotional roots of her pain that she finally found relief. Through a process of deep self-reflection and emotional healing, she was able to unlearn the pain that had plagued her for so long. Chapter 4: The Role of Trauma. Trauma, whether it's a single traumatic event or ongoing exposure to stress, can have a profound impact on the body. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana delves into the role of trauma in the development of chronic pain. He explains how traumatic experiences can leave an imprint on the brain, creating patterns of fear and tension that contribute to the persistence of pain. Dr. Shabana discusses how trauma can disrupt the body's natural stress response, leading to a state of chronic hyperarousal. This can cause the body to remain in a constant state of fight or flight, which can contribute to the development of physical symptoms. Over time, the brain becomes conditioned to associate certain thoughts, emotions, or situations with pain, leading to the chronic pain cycle. One of the key insights in this chapter is the concept of trauma memories. Dr. Shabana explains how the brain can store memories of traumatic events, much like it stores memories of pain. These trauma memories can be triggered by certain thoughts, emotions, or situations, leading to the recurrence of pain even when there is no physical cause. Understanding this concept is crucial for breaking the cycle of chronic pain. The stories in this chapter are deeply moving. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have suffered from chronic pain as a result of trauma, and how they were able to heal by addressing the emotional wounds that had been left behind. One particularly powerful story is that of a man who had been living with chronic pain for years, only to discover that his pain was linked to unresolved trauma from his childhood. Through therapy and other mind-body techniques, he was able to confront these traumatic memories and, in many cases, experience significant relief from his pain. Chapter 5: The Power of Belief. Our beliefs shape our reality, and this is especially true when it comes to pain. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana explores the power of belief in the healing process. He explains how our thoughts and beliefs can influence our physical health, and how changing our beliefs can lead to profound healing. Dr. Shabana discusses the concept of placebo effect and how it demonstrates the power of belief in healing. He explains how the mind can create physical changes in the body based on what we believe to be true. This is not just a psychological phenomenon, it's a physiological one, with real, measurable effects on the body. The stories in this chapter are both fascinating and inspiring. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have been able to heal from chronic pain by changing their beliefs about their pain and their bodies. One particularly powerful story is that of a woman who had been living with chronic pain for years, only to discover that her pain was linked to negative beliefs about her body. Through a process of deep self-reflection and emotional healing, she was able to change her beliefs and, in many cases, experience significant relief from her pain. Dr. Shabana also discusses the importance of faith and spirituality in the healing process. He explains how a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves can provide the strength and support needed to overcome chronic pain. This is not about promoting any particular religious belief, but rather about recognizing the power of belief and faith in the healing process. Chapter 6: The Healing Process. Healing from chronic pain is not a quick or easy process, it requires time, patience, and commitment. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana outlines the steps involved in the healing process and provides practical advice and exercises for those who are ready to begin their journey to recovery. Dr. Shabana emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and self-care in the healing process. He explains how many people with chronic pain have a tendency to be hard on themselves, pushing through pain and ignoring their body's needs. This can create a cycle of stress and tension that contributes to the persistence of pain. Learning to be gentle with ourselves and to prioritize self-care is an essential part of healing. The stories in this chapter highlight the resilience and strength of the human spirit. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have been able to heal from chronic pain by following the steps outlined in the book. One particularly powerful story is that of a woman who had been living with chronic pain for years, only to discover that her pain was linked to unresolved emotional issues. Through therapy, journaling, and other mind-body techniques, she was able to confront these emotions and, in many cases, experience significant relief from her pain. Dr. Shabana also discusses the importance of community and support in the healing process. He explains how many people with chronic pain feel isolated and alone, which can exacerbate their symptoms. Finding a supportive community of people who understand what you're going through can be a powerful tool in the healing process. Chapter 7: The Role of Therapy. Therapy can be a powerful tool in the healing process, particularly for those who are dealing with trauma or unresolved emotional issues. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana discusses the different types of therapy that can be helpful for those with chronic pain and provides guidance on how to find a therapist who is right for you. Dr. Shabana explains how therapy can help individuals to identify and process the emotions and beliefs that are contributing to their pain. He discusses different therapeutic approaches such as cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness-based therapy, and somatic experiencing, and explains how each can be used to address different aspects of chronic pain. The stories in this chapter highlight the transformative power of therapy. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have been able to heal from chronic pain through therapy. One particularly powerful story is that of a man who had been living with chronic pain for years, only to discover that his pain was linked to unresolved trauma from his childhood. Through therapy and other mind-body techniques, he was able to confront these traumatic memories and, in many cases, experience significant relief from his pain. Dr. Shabana also discusses the importance of finding a therapist who is a good fit for you. He explains how therapy is a deeply personal process and how it's important to find a therapist who you feel comfortable with and who understands your needs. He provides practical advice on how to find a therapist and what to look for in a good therapist. Chapter 8: The Power of Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool in the healing process, particularly for those who are dealing with chronic pain. In this chapter, Dr. Shabana explores the role of mindfulness in the healing process and provides practical exercises for incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. Dr. Shabana explains how mindfulness can help individuals to become more aware of their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, and how this awareness can be used to break the cycle of chronic pain. He discusses different mindfulness practices, such as meditation, breathing exercises, and body scans, and explains how each can be used to address different aspects of chronic pain. The stories in this chapter highlight the transformative power of mindfulness. Dr. Shabana shares the experiences of individuals who have been able to heal from chronic pain through mindfulness practices. One particularly powerful story is that of a woman who had been living with chronic pain for years, only to discover that her pain was linked to unresolved emotional issues. Through mindfulness practices, she was able to become more aware of her thoughts and emotions, and in many cases, experience significant relief from her pain. Dr. Shabana also discusses the importance of consistency and practice in mindfulness. He explains how mindfulness is a skill that takes time to develop and how it's important to be patient and persistent in your practice. He provides practical advice on how to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life and how to make it a habit. Conclusion: Reclaiming Your Life. *Unlearn Your Pain* is more than just a book, it's a guide to reclaiming your life from the grip of chronic pain. Dr. Shabana's approach is both compassionate and empowering, offering hope to those who have been living with pain for far too long. By understanding the mind-body connection and addressing the emotional and psychological factors that contribute to chronic pain, readers can begin the process of healing and reclaim their lives. The stories shared in this book are a testament to the power of the human spirit and the possibility of healing. They remind us that, no matter how long we have been living with pain, there is hope for a better, pain-free future. Dr. Shabana's approach is not a quick fix, but rather a journey of self-discovery and healing that requires time, patience, and commitment. But for those who are willing to take that journey, the rewards are immeasurable. *Unlearn Your Pain* is a must-read for anyone who is struggling with chronic pain, as well as for healthcare professionals who are looking for a more holistic approach to treating pain. It is a book that challenges the conventional wisdom about pain and offers a new, more hopeful perspective. Most importantly, it is a book that reminds us that healing is possible and that we all have the power to unlearn our pain and reclaim our lives. Read the book to learn more, and if you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to support the channel and stay updated on future uploads. Thank you.